Greetings, summer school teachers. This video is going to go over a few of the features of the website that I previously sent you, and it will also go over some of the lesson planning tools available to you. The homepage is just information about the summer school program and some of the information that was sent home to parents. If you click under the Schedules tab, then you will find information about our meetings, room locations, the different schedules for our building, and the different schedules for arrival, breakfast, lunch, and dismissal. Under lesson planning, there are some important things here for you. The first thing you need to do in order to create your lesson plans is to click this link and make a copy of the lesson plan template. Make sure that you have already logged in to your Google account when you click this link. When you click the link, this screen will pop up and it will say Copy Document. Click the Make a Copy button. And in order to keep me from trying to guess whose is whose, where it says Copy Of, go ahead and delete that and then just put your last name. When you are working on this template and you're logged into your account, you should see either a letter here if you haven't put up a picture in your Google account, or you'll see a little picture of yourself, and that'll let you know that you are in your account. So if I didn't have a picture there, I would have an A because my first name is Audrey. So when you are editing this, you can just type into it and you can go through it and edit any of these colored boxes in any way that you like. Once you're done and you are ready to submit, then you're going to do that through your Google Drive. Remember, once you've started working on this, it's saved in your Google Drive and you can always get back to it. Let me show you what that looks like. So when you're in your Google Drive, if you click Recent, it's going to show you the most recent thing that you have accessed. And so here is my lesson plan template. It says last name lesson plan template, and I can open it up from there and I can continue to work on it. On the website, I've actually provided some resources to help you with these lesson plans. So the resources that I've given you are right here. I have given you a link to the Common Core State Standards because don't forget, you need to have Common Core Standards as your objectives for both reading and math. And when you go to the website, you click here, and then you can click either English language or mathematics, and you can explore the content standards for your grade level. The mathematics resources are here for you. I hope that you take a look at those. And then the reading resources are here for you as well. Once you're done and you're ready to actually submit your lesson plans, then you will go in the website to lesson planning, scroll all the way to the bottom, and where it says Submit Lesson Plans below, you're going to open up this form, and then you're just going to fill it out. So you're going to be actually uploading the file from your Google Drive, which is easier than it sounds. So the first thing I want you to do is just put your name, and then it says upload lesson plans. This picture is just here to remind you what that template looks like, because if you're like me and you use your Google account all the time, you have lots and lots of things in there. So first you're going to click Add File. You're going to go to My Drive, and you're going to find the correct file. And so here is my last name lesson plan template. It's added right here. If I have uploaded the wrong file, I can just click this X and start over. And then when I'm done, I click Submit. So it says that your response has been recorded and you're good to go. Notice if I go back to my lesson plan template, I can still access it and I can still make changes. So even after you submit, you can still make changes or edits to your lesson plan template. The last thing that I want you to know about the website is that I do have a link to our attendance. You will take attendance in this spreadsheet go ahead and click the button to expand it. And then you can click on the appropriate tab to record your students' attendance. So there'll be student names here, and you click either present, absent, or tardy. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me an email or a text and let me know what I can do to help support you before summer school starts next week.